Hey guys, Renee here with CarSyde, and today's patient is a 2016 Subaru Forester XT, and she's here for a little bit of cleaning. What we're going to be doing is changing out the cabin filter, and in my opinion, it's one of the most overlooked filters because sometimes it's easy to get to and sometimes it's not. But let's get going on this. So what we want to do, open the glove box, squeeze the back part of the glove box so it releases it, and there you go, that's the tabs. Okay, and this one, look at that, the shock wasn't even connected. All right, pull the glove box out just like that. Now here's the cabin filter. Told you it was easy. Squeeze the top and the bottom together, slide it out. Oh, careful when you're sliding it. Look at that. We've got, that's pretty dirty. So now what you're gonna want to do, just take a clean rag, wipe it down. If there's any dust or whatever, just wipe the area down. Okay, I've got my new one right here. Make sure it's pointing up. There's the arrow. Slide it in, lock it in place. Okay, now let's put this shock in the way that it was supposed to go. Slide it over here to the side, and get it through this mounting hole, hole. Now extend the arm out so you can grab it this way. This is the first mounting hole, so make sure that your pin goes into that. Once you get that over the pin, if it's like this, it's a little loose, you can take a screwdriver. I'm just taking a pick, spread the pin apart. That way it's got something to latch onto, and you can see it's nice and tight now. Okay, put the glove box lower hinges back on where they go. Make sure it moves nice and free. Slide the shock on to the pin on the glove box, and we're done. That's pretty easy. So if this is the kind of stuff you guys like to watch, please click the subscribe button. And if you're new to the channel, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps one of you guys out. Give us a like, and if you're in the Las Vegas, Henderson area, give us a call if you need some help, 702-820-6095, or email us, CarSyde, CARSYDE, @gmail.com. We'll just keep bringing the videos to you guys as the cars come along with the problems. So I'm signing out. See you next time.